Welcome to TuTube and our St Patrick's Day special.
Siadam na Calor Láfeile Pádraig on Seo in Ardgillan Castle in County Dublin.
It's right here that the Raveloid Fest will be taking place this summer on the 10th and 11th of June.
It's going to be absolutely amazing, and Eoin McDermott is going to be joining us in just a few minutes to fill us in on the festival and all the different bands going to be playing. Plus, he has brought not one, not two, but 5 pairs of tickets to give away.
We'll also be grabbing some live performances from those bands, including the Hothouse Flowers and this guy. Take it away, Mundy.
Well, you may not see me when you come back. I could be sharing someone else's pillow. My love for you's better than diamonds. To you, everything I bestow. And tomorrow I'll be dancing on my own, and I'll need a kiss for my head that's aching. I'll be a hungry dog without a bone. I hope my place with you's not taken. Yeah. Kiss me and tell me it's not broken. Kiss me and kiss me till I'm dead. Well, I give you the stars from the bruised evening sky and a crown of jewels for your head now. For your head now. For your head now. For your head now. One last night in bed for a time. 2 more wishes and both are for thine. 3 guesses you're the angel's child. 4 hopes that this love's not boiled. Yeah. Kiss me and tell me it's not broken. Kiss me and kiss me till I'm dead. Well, I give you the stars from the bruised evening sky and a crown of jewels for your head now. For your head now. For your head now. For your head now. And if you come back, I'll take you to the garden and we'll dance to an orchestra on the lawn. And we'll roll in the foggy dew and dance with the ghosts upon the dawn and on the dawn and on the dawn. Then you'll kiss me and tell me it's not broken. Kiss me and kiss me till I'm dead. Well, I give you the stars from the bruised evening sky and a crown of jewels for your head now. For your head now.
Gurmila Mahagut Mundy, that was absolutely amazing, and you can catch him at the Raveloid Festival this June.
Yes, right here in the Ardgillan Castle where there's players like this hanging out. Fáileann Marta Tilakiola talked to the Hothouse Flowers, plus Eoin McDermott's going to be joining us to give us all the lowdown on the festival, and we've got 5 pairs of tickets to give away, so we'll see you right after this. I'm totally freaked out. Ah!